For many decades, trade shows have been the foundation of many business models, until now. Businesses are silent, factories are closed, and trade shows are at a standstill. The virus is affecting businesses around the world. How will the IoT and tech industry survive? If you are looking to get your voice and brand heard, webinars are an efficient means to reach your audience and create a reusable source for lead generation. Register now to attend our webinar Thursday, May 7th, when trade shows go dark. The global manufacturing industry is struggling with health risks for workers, which is causing plant closures and supply chain shortages due to the recent pandemic. Doctors and nurses are working around the clock to control the spread, yet no cure is in sight. Many factories are being forced to cease operations or retool their facilities to produce goods for emergency responders and the government. The virus is causing a massive domino effect that will limit business across all verticals. China is known as the world's factory. The outbreak in Wuhan, the leading area for semiconductor fabrication, will limit the availability of chipsets and other components for the tech industry. As resources run scarce, many IoT and technology projects may be forced to seek alternative methods for sourcing chipsets and manufacturing their new products. IoT Marketing's webinar, Global IoT Challenges in 2020 for the Manufacturing Industry, will discuss the various obstacles businesses have experienced and will continue to face. We will also share insights for how these challenges could affect the supply chain and how IoT can be used as a solution for overseeing plant operations remotely. Around the world, people are talking about 5G. But what is 5G? What is the promise and potential of 5G networks, and how are they different from previous generations? What will it take to power these new ultra-high-speed networks, and how will they be used? Join us Thursday, July 23rd for Industry Insights webinar, Telecom Predictions for the Future of 5G, to find out the answers to these questions, along with the potential use cases, trends, statistics, and predictions for the future of 5G and beyond. Register now, free, to attend this exclusive webinar you will not want to miss. The energy sector is facing an extraordinarily difficult time, primarily due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the looming economic crisis. Keeping consumers under lockdown has sent fuel prices soaring to record lows. Natural gas is experiencing its largest annual decline in history due to COVID-19 and the exceptionally mild winter in the Northern Hemisphere. Prior to COVID-19, the energy sector was already experiencing a slow in demand. In fact, the coal industry has seen a 40% decline in the past 5 years. Although energy demand has dramatically decreased, the amount of carbon emissions has not significantly dropped as industry experts had hoped. Innovations for renewable energies such as hydropower, wind, biomass, and solar are steps in the right direction, as well as transitioning from gas-powered vehicles to electric. But the power industry is in need of connected solutions to help maintain balance and preserve our natural resources if we want to return to a green and growing economy. Join us on Thursday, August 20th for Industry Insights webinar, Connected Solutions for the Power Industry, to find out more about these challenges and the new technology evolving Industry 4.0. Technological advancements in AI, predictive analytics, 5G, 3D printing, IoT, and telehealth are transforming the way we monitor, care, and repair ourselves. We are in the midst of an exponential paradigm shift as we evolve from traditional health practices for treating illness to a new approach that focuses on data-driven connected solutions and preventative care to preserve our well-being. Don't fall behind the digital curve. Get in the know by attending our upcoming Industry Insights webinar on Thursday, September 24th. Smart Solutions for Connected Health. Register now, and I'll see you at the webinar.